Ebyabaherizo bw'abany'ishengyero bababizire kurambura fakitore bwa nyuma ya story yashohiro mu makuru gita AGACENCWIRE erukoreka mbere ambe fakitore erimu.
Facility is not a factory, but we are installing industrial machines in a kind of a conference hall, and I think that's not right. I think this must change, and we will look for how we can make these changes so that this project can go on.
So when we are seeing it going to the dogs, we feel hurt, and we feel it's not really late, or it's not this time that we should lose this valuable asset.
Bwa nyuma y'abany'ishengyero kubuza akasiyo n'akahinda habwenche byoma bicerebere ankireta masigoro kure kitongore cha TRIDI echakwasibwo umurimo gwo kureberera project yayetongana hati.
The machines outside, yes. You cannot put all the machines in one room. Yes. Because you need space for operational space. Yes. So the machines inside are enough for inside. These machines outside, we need another house for it.
Mukuru w'entebe ya katana habwa Sheema district Jemema Buhanda twijuke yashabo kucondozo project ngo hacura umubyinje bicisherecurwe
nta ntakucumanya nabuso nayo kuba focal person ntakugira ki omwami ngambe ntakugira ki ntakucumanya kandi Michael ekintu ekitwihire bushenyi ekiturukumanya nk'abanyashema ni rubare farm
n'abakozi abarukora mu fakitore nuko kubatebeze na kuyabo
abana mwe nabo mwe bari no bargete babuzibwe akahunga to kare kakazamitwara umusanzu turya busa abana tubabuzibwe
ntwebuze cyabiroho ni cyati ntwenda tumanye batuhamize umushara guriyo n'ugwija tugira amana gukora tugumize muto yongeremo akuba nicyo cyonke kiri kuteganisa
yitwentu yiya tukoremezi twegurira butsi kandi ikintu twansaba government eterezefuka akuba tufisa nezitu ntuzihoma kagitu.
Abany'ishengyero basigira abakozi ab'emitwaro 20 ngo baze kuguraho akasabuni obwe babana batereze enshonga zabo gasha kwa Michael twakire.